Hello friends, if I tell you the energy is flowing through your hands and fingers, will you believe me? If you want to feel, you have to do just put your mobile down and follow my instructions. First of all, we have to rub our hands thoroughly and put these two hands on the knees and chant this mantra with me. I am a pure soul. I am a holy soul. I am a pure soul. I am a holy soul. I am a pure soul. I am a holy soul. After chanting this mantra 3 times, close your eyes and focus on your hands. What is happening in your palm and fingers? Be fully present with this energy for 3, 4, 5 minutes. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. If you feel some vibration, sensation and energy in your hands, it is referred as a Kundalini energy in yoga traditions. And Adi Sankaracharya said about this energy as a divine water, divine water, divine water. Salilam, Salilam, Salilam. And there is a slok in Vedas. कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी कर मूले सरस्वती कर मध्ये तो गोविंद प्रभाते कर दर्शनम. Means every morning if you pay attention to this divine energy, your life will be very happy and your life will be meaningful and your life will be full of joy and full of ecstasy. So you should focus on the energy which is continuously throbbing within you. But majority of the people are unaware about this energy and die without knowing this energy. If you focus on this energy, your energy will be enhanced and you will feel beyond your understanding, beyond the intellect. You can feel the universe is throbbing within you. If you like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you for listening. Jai Gurudev.